Welcome to this technical guide on the Asus F543UA. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Now, let's delve into the problem. If your Asus F543UA screen remains black, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often occurs due to a faulty display or a malfunctioning connection. If left unresolved, it could lead to further complications, including permanent damage to your device. Let's gather the tools needed for this repair. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement screen specifically for the Asus F543UA. Now, let's move on to the step-by-step repair process. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by carefully removing the back cover. Use the plastic spudger to gently pry it open, taking care not to damage any clips. Once the cover is off, locate the display connector. This is usually situated near the battery. Inspect the connector for any signs of damage. If you notice any issues, it's likely the source of your black screen. If the connector looks intact, the problem may reside within the screen itself. To remove the old screen, carefully unscrew the screws holding it in place. Take note of the screw types and their locations, as they may vary. Use the Phillips screwdriver for this task. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the screen away from the device using the plastic spudger. Be cautious not to pull on any cables that may be attached. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Next, take your replacement screen and align it with the connector. Ensure it's positioned correctly before pressing down gently. Once secure, replace the screws to hold the screen in place. Carefully reconnect any cables you may have disconnected during the process. Before closing the back cover, power on your device to check if the screen is functioning correctly. If everything is in order, proceed to snap the back cover back into place, ensuring all clips are securely fastened. Finally, let's talk prevention. To avoid encountering the same black screen issue in the future, ensure your device is handled with care. Avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures or moisture, and consider using a protective case. Regularly check connections and clean the device to maintain its performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.